Hello, good morning, good evening, good night. I don't know what time it is where you're listening from. It all depends on where you live. So let me know below where you're listening in from. If you're watching the replay, please type replay. I just want to thank you for pumping in here on my video. I come to do these meditations almost daily. I did take some time yesterday to prioritize my family and introduce, I met with my family over the weekend, and I had some business on Sunday. My office is only open on Sundays, so that's usually a really packed, busy day. And then today, this morning, I have just done my morning routine, and I took a bath this morning. A lot of times I will take a bath at night, and that really helps me sleep really well. But this morning, I wanted that underwater therapy. I like to just submerge my entire body under the water and let my arms float in the bathtub. It feels so good. If you have a bathtub, I highly recommend to try that. Okay, we're going to get into our meditation. If you're popping on, please say hi and let me know where you're listening from. And we're going to get into our meditation. Today is lesson 325. And we are in A Course in Miracles. Today is actually day 325 of the year. That's how this course numbers its lessons. And today it is all things I think, I see, reflect ideas. This is salvation's keynote. What I see reflects a process in my mind which starts with my idea of what I want. From there, the mind makes up an image of the thing the mind desires, judges valuable, and therefore seeks to find. These images are then projected outward, looked upon, esteemed as real, and guarded as one's own. Hello, I see there's a couple listening, but I don't see your name or anything else. So thank you for joining. From insane wishes comes an insane world. From judgment comes a world condemned. And from forgiving thoughts, a gentle world comes forth with mercy for the Holy Son of God to offer him a kindly home where he can rest a while before he journeys on and help his brothers walk ahead with him and find the way to heaven and to God. Our Father, our Mother, your ideas reflect the truth, and mine apart from yours but make up dreams. Let me behold what only yours reflect, for yours and yours alone establish truth. Amen. Thank you again for popping on and joining my meditations. I will be back tomorrow. And if you have any questions or need anything, please feel free to look up my Facebook page. I'll put the link below, and you can contact me there or contact me to get in touch with the center for your gateway to healthcare. See you later. Bye.